Hello, my dear students. Hope you all fine and safe. In our previous class, you learnt how to introduce yourself to your friends. And in grammar, you also learnt how to arrange the given words in an alphabetical order. Today, let us move on to our next topic for story time. Students, your parents, grandparents, and teachers are telling you moral stories like Lion and the Mouse, Dog and the Bone, Two Silly Goats, Hare and the Tortoise, etc. Today, also, in our class, let us hear one more story. This story is about one boy and his pet dog. The boy name is Yash and his pet dog name is Moti. Okay? Under the topic for story time Yash and Moti. Okay, topic Yash and Moti. Students, I am going to read this and you have to listen carefully. Look at here. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow wow," Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow wow," Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Once again I am reading. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. He went out to look at his new shoes. Oh no, he cried. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. He couldn't find it. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. He barked, "Bow wow." Yash looked at Moti. "Moti, have you seen my shoe?" "Bow wow," Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. Yash followed Moti. There was a hole under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. Yash picked it up. "Thank God," he said. "The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition." "Bow wow," Moti agreed. "Thank you, Moti," said Yash. Students, now I am going to explain this, okay? Yash was happy. Yash was happy. Look at here. Can you see Yash? Yes, he is Yash. Yash was happy. How can you say Yash was happy? Look at his face. There is a smile on his face. Students, if you are happy, what you'll do? You're jumping, singing songs, dancing and all, yes? The same way Yash also doing. He's jumping. He see, look at his face. There is a smile on his face. So we can make out Yash is happy. Yash was happy. His mother bought him new shoes. Who bought him new shoes? His mother. See why Yash was happy? Because his mother bought him new shoes. Look at here. He wore shoes. Wearing that shoes, he was jumping. So happy. His mother bought. Who bought? His mother bought him new shoes. So he was happy. He woke up early in the morning. Look at here. He woke up early in the morning. Woke up means get up. Yash woke up early in the morning. Why? See, let's see. He went out to look at his new shoes. To see his new shoes. He woke up early in the morning. Look at here. He went out. He kept his shoes outside. So he went out to look at his new shoes. To look at his new shoes, he woke up early in the morning. And he went out and saw. But he cried, "Oh no!" What he cried? "Oh no!" What happened? Let's see. There is only one shoe here. There is only one shoe here. Where is my other shoe? He's telling. See, Yash was telling, there is only one shoe. You can see here only one shoe is there. Where is other shoe? Yash was asking himself. Where is my other shoe? He looked everywhere. Yash looked everywhere. He started searching. He started searching his shoe. But he couldn't find it. He couldn't find it. He did not get his another shoe. He sat outside on a step and sobbed. Now he was so sad. Why? Who bought him new shoes? His mother bought him new shoes. So he was so sad. He lost one shoe. So he was crying. He sobbed. Sobbed means he was crying loudly with noise. Okay. He sat. He sat outside on a step. Look at the step. He sat outside only on the step and he started crying. Sobbed. Okay. Cried with noise. Just then Moti came and started wagging his tail. Just then Moti came. Just then who came? Just then his pet dog Moti came. Look at here. His pet dog Moti. And started wagging his tail. Wagging means see. This way. Moving. His tail. He barked. He started barking. Bow wow. You know, dog barks. Dog says bow wow. Yash looked at Moti. Now Yash, he was crying and he looked at Moti. And he asked, Moti, have you seen my shoe? He asked Moti. Yash asked Moti, Moti, have you seen my shoe? Moti once again barked. Bow wow. Moti barked and ran to a tree in the front yard. In front of the house there was one tree. Look at this tree. So Moti ran towards the tree. And who followed? Yash followed Moti. Yash also followed Moti. Yash also ran behind the Moti. Moti was running. Even Yash also followed the Moti. There was a hole under the tree. There was a hole. You can see here. There is a hole here. Under the tree. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. In the hole, there is a blue color shoe. So, Yash saw the blue color shoe. Okay. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. A big fat rat had carried it there. A big fat rat, you know. Big fat rat had carried the shoe there. Yash picked it up. Yash took his shoe and thank God, he said. Yash said, thanks to God because he got back his shoe. It was given by his mother, new shoe. So he said, thank God. Thanks to God. The rat has not nibbled my shoe. It is in good condition. Why he said to God thanks? The rat had not nibbled his shoes. Nibbled means cut off with teeth. Okay, cutting. Cut off with teeth. It is in good condition. It is in good condition. Okay. So he said thanks to God. Wow, wow. Moti agreed. Moti also said yes by barking. Wow, wow. Thank you, Moti. Yash was so happy and he said thank you, Moti, because Moti had took him to under the tree and showed where the rat has kept his another shoe. Okay. Moti helped him to get back his another shoe. So he said thank you, Moti. Find the words in the story which mean, look at here students, find the words in the story which mean, first one, bitten or cut off with teeth. Cut off with teeth means nibbled. What is this? Nibbled. We are going to write this. Let us write here. Nibbled. N-I double B L-E-D. Nibbled. Okay. Next question. Cried noisily. Cried noisily. Here it is written. Means it is there. See. Cried noisily. Sobbed. S-O-double-B-E-D. Sobbed. S-O-double-B-E-D. Sobbed. Answer in a word or a phrase. Answer in a word or a phrase. Who bought new shoes for Yash? Tell me students, who bought new shoes for Yash? You have to write answer in a word or a phrase. Okay? Word. Mother. Who? Mother. How did Yash feel then? How did Yash feel then? Happy. Yash feel happy. Happy. Why was Yash sobbing? Why was Yash sobbing? Because he lost his one shoe. Lost his one shoe. Lost his one shoe. Who had carried Yash shoes? Yash shoe to the hole. Who had carried Yash shoe to the hole? Who had carried students? A big fat, you can see here, look at here, a big fat rat. A big, last question, a big fat rat. Big fat rat. Next, put the following in the correct order. There is only one shoe here. First one. Second one. Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Third one. Yash followed Moti. Fourth one. His mother gave him new shoes. Fifth one. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Okay. Now tell me students, which has to put the following sentences in correct order. First one. Which is the first one here? His mother gave him new shoes? Yes. His mother gave him new shoes. Number 1. Okay. Next, there is only one shoe here. Yash saw his shoe. Yash followed more. There is only one shoe here. Then he came out of his house and he saw there is only there. He said there is only one shoe here. Next, third one. Let us write a correct order. Third one. Yash saw his shoe or Yash followed Moti. Yash followed Moti. Yash followed Moti. Okay, correct. Then Yash saw his shoe in the hole. Fourth one. And last one. Thank you, Moti, said Yash. Same number, 5. Thank you, Moti, said. Okay, Yash. 5, number 5. Now, look and say. Look and say. Shoes. SHOES, shoes. Morning. MORNING, morning. Sobbed. SOBBED, sobbed. Wagging. WAGGING, wagging. Barked. BARKED, barked. Yard. YARD, yard. Nibbled. NIBBLED, nibbled. Condition. CONDITION, condition. Okay. Students, read this story and you have to learn these dictation words. Okay, spellings you have to learn.